Okay, and what happened next?
And when we go there, and in the next morning, I go to the jungle and shoot a bird like
With the catapult?
Yeah, catapult. I shoot the bird, and when I go there, I heard the noise from that village. I heard the noise from that village, like a noise of gun.
So you
gun,
heard
yeah.
you heard gunshot in the village.
Yes, in the village, gun shooting in the village, and I'm very scared that, and I also run away, and I also run and run like that. I'm very scared, and after that, for five or 6 hours like that, it is very quiet. And when I came back to that village, I saw many people will die there.
Many people were dead.
Yeah, and include my father.
You saw your father was dead.
Yeah.
The SPDC shot him.
The SPDC shot him, like through the back and out at the chest. And it's, a lot of blood were there, and I also crying. I cry, and when I see.
And at that time you were 10 years old?
Yes, 10 or 9 years old.
So 9 or 10 years old. And he comes back to the village to find his father has been shot.
And after that, I will see the old man. The old man, his name is Lung Ong. Lung Ong, what hanging under the tree?
Hanging under hanging
his neck on the tree.
Is it a woman? A woman or man?
A man.
Oh, a man. A man.
The old man.
The old man. Oh, an old man. Yeah. Oh, the old man. They hung the old man by the neck till he was dead.
There was only head, not body. The body was cut down, and only head hang on the tree like.
Only the head hanging from the tree.
Yeah. And I'm very afraid that. And after that, I saw my mother was cropped on the ground, and I ran to her immediately, and I asked her, my mom, what happened? She said that SPDC shoot us, so you have to go to the city.
Was your mother shot? Somebody
shot.
Also?
Yeah, also shot. Was shot her hand and also her leg like that. And through hit body, through her body.
So she was dying?
Yeah. Not died yet. Not died.
I mean almost.
Yeah.
Almost.
Almost died. Yeah. And after that, I asked some help from another village, and we have to quickly take her to the city. So it is very difficult, and we have to bring my mother to the city. So I have no money. I can kill my mother. I can kill my mom, and I bring my mom to the temple. I asked the monk, can you kill my mother? Now my mother almost died, so I want some help from you like that. We have no medicine, we have no doctor, no. We just use our traditional medicine like as you know, in Shan culture, we use we believe in the magic in the Buddha like this, and they use like the monk just give some water to my mom drink, and so not so long my mom had gone away.
Oh, she died.
Yeah, she died. And after that, only only me and my sister, my younger brother in Khonat, and they also cry, and we only three left in our family.